Hello my friends, what's up? The Dutchman Ruben Buijs here. Glad you could make it. Oh boy. 27 minutes and 54 seconds. Fit for an Autopsy, live in the K-Pit. Tiny Dive Bar show. Suggested by one of my patrons, Jon Halstead. Thanks so much my friend. For supporting me on Patreon. 28 minutes. This is my introduction to this band. At least I think so. I don't think I know anything by them. Correct me if I'm wrong. No pain, no gain. There are 6 songs. Oh well. Life is good, so I should not complain. Again. 3, 2, 1. Let the insanity begin.
I'm like a lot of dreams. There's a monster at the end of it.
This song is called the Sea of Tragic Beast, motherfucker! Fall in the fire with me!
far so good. If this is the guy's real voice, that's insane.
The song's called
it's a real voice, but
off our new record, The Sea of Tragic Grief.
Production. You know what I mean?
Like you!
Really excellent. Love it so far.
So this is fucking cool.
I know.
We want to thank Kerrang. We want to thank Nuclear Blast. We want to thank all of you, all our friends, everybody that's here. Thank you guys so fucking much. This song is also off our new record. It's called Mirrors.
Where has it been all my life? Really like it. Already said that 10 times. It's really some no-nonsense stuff. And also some damn good musicians. And singer. This is really some
You
next
guys are
level
fucking amazing.
stuff.
Thank you so much.
Really good. Drumming is also very nice.
Once again,
But the
shout out
singers
to
really
fucking
stand
you
out
guys
here.
for coming here on a Tuesday, man. Thank you guys for being responsible adults and hitting up that fucking email literally the day it happened. That's the reason why all you guys are in here, and we fucking love your support. Every fucking day we grow stronger because of you fucking people out there. Thank you so much.
I was a man in the dark. I slept in the sun. I left a man with nothing to win. I was a man born in the dark, shoveling shit into a furnace, sweating like I burn a soul. The city is a fucking prison. Come here. Fights with failure. It was your given. Lord, we do it. Higher power. I swear to living as we go. We were the lions, now we go to the horizon. 'Cause when you get up there, taking you no breath. They bring to it, they are powered. I swear they're living as we caught at the straps. We were the lions, now we go to the hydra. 'Cause when you cut off the head, fighting to grow big, see them at their ways. Another day goes by, everything alive dies to the passage of China first. Lower the bar, it's pathetic to think. Another sounds would sink, but I never knew how the repetition is only failure. Repetition is only failure. Repetition is only failure. Repetition is only failure. Keep it! The sun will rise. The monsters of fate. Let's do this shit! The resurrection of the tomorrow. The fathers of men sow the seeds of sons of sorrow. The resurrection of the tomorrow. The brothers of men sow the seeds for the sons of sorrow. I was a man dying in the dark. I slept in the same way left a man. I was a man born in the dark, shoveling shit into a furnace, trying to burn us out. The city is a fucking force of failure. It was your given. I'm a power. Higher power. I swear to living as we go at the scratch. Everyone, we were the lions, so we go to the hydra. 'Cause when you get up there, fucking fucking you. I was a man dying in the crowd. I was a man born in the cold. I was a man dying in the cold. I was a man born in the cold.
Y'all are fucking crazy.
no spotlight making out the chair. Heads will heads will ring.
Are you guys having a good time?
What is now the will of your eyes? What is now the will of your
We've got one more song left.
Only one?
Love each other. Love your brothers. Love your fucking sisters. We're all need each other's back every single fucking day from this nightmare of a fucking world that we live in. So have each other's fucking back. This song is called Black Mammoth.
That's an interesting way of looking at things. Nice.
Bang your fucking head!
That's right! Close your
album coming out October 25th called The Sea of Tragic Beasts. Pick that shit up. I love every single fucking one of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Wow. I have to admit that, you know, I was a little bit nervous for, you know, 28 minutes. Still a bit of a thing, but this was over. It was over just like that, and of course that's a very good sign. I really enjoyed it. I really loved the guy's voice, and as I said, you know, if this is a real thing, if they did not alter this in when they made this video, it's really damn impressive. But he's got some excellent musicians behind him. Great crowd. You know, always cool to you know, do that in a bar in such a small arena. I think that's so much fun when you got so much interaction going on, when other people are standing so near, when they're standing so near to you. I think that's absolutely awesome. You get so much more emotion out of your audience. I thought it was really good. You know, with deathcore bands, I think it's very important that the singer, you know, he must be very versatile. Otherwise, the music becomes a little bit of a blur. But this guy can do multiple things. Really, really respect that. That's why I like Out of Decapitation so much. But after hearing this, certainly a band I have to investigate now. I really enjoyed every minute of it. Very intense, very aggressive, you know, just no nonsense. Enjoyed every minute of it. And then again, it was so over, and you know, again, I don't know any of their music, so I have not listened to their albums. But as far as I'm concerned, this is really album quality. Correct me if I'm wrong. Fantastic live performance. I'm a fan already. Something I did not like, you know, maybe a little bit unrelated, but you know, that crowd killing in the video when people are really like kicking and stuff. I never liked that. And like punching in the air, you know, I like pitch just as much as the other guy, but no, that's really something that's not for me. I think that's a little bit over the top, in my opinion. Just give me a good old-fashioned normal pit any day. But yeah, that's just me. Again, very good. One Discovery. I had heard of them, but talking about an introduction. Again, I'm already a fanboy after hearing this. Really thought this was some next level stuff. Very good. It sounded very clear. And again, that singer, man. Wow. I think he's one of the best in the business. Wow. Let me know. I enjoyed all the songs. I think they're coming to the Netherlands in a couple of weeks in the Dutch city of Tilburg with some other bands. I'm maybe gonna check them out. I have nothing to lose except my sanity. What's left of it anyway. Cool. John, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you for your very generous donation on Patreon. You are appreciated. But yeah, I should thank you because I love it. Another great discovery. And it goes on and on and on. I wouldn't want to have it any other way. Tell me what you think, my friends. What do you think about For An Autopsy? What do you think about this live performance? Did you enjoy it as much as I did? Or not? That's also perfectly possible. Let me know. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. If you like this video, click on the like button. Subscribe if you like what I do. If you want to support me on Patreon, that would be awesome. I promise I will do this for the rest of my life. See you soon, my friends. Bye-bye.